Hello everybody, welcome to the class. This is your mentor Shashank and today we are going to discuss the SSC CGL Tier 2 mock practice set number 10. Well, this class is the recorded class for you all so that there is no escaping of class in these holidays, in this Diwali holidays which we are celebrating on the occasion of Diwali, right? So we have uploaded the classes, we have recorded the classes for you so that you don't miss, so that there is no delay, there is no hurdle in your preparation. So we are starting the class. Let's take out the pen and copy and try to solve the question with me as well, right? So we are starting with the question number 1. But I request you all that if you haven't liked this video, then like the video, and if you are new on this channel, then do subscribe the channel. This is your educator mentor Shashank and welcoming you all on the oliveboard platform, right? So let's begin with the questions. That what questions we are having in this set. The first question is, find the number of rectangles in the given figure. We are having a figure in this figure we need to find the number of rectangles, that how many rectangles are there, right? So how do we calculate the number of rectangles? Do you know the basic idea? Do you know the basic figure of rectangle? How to count the rectangles? Whenever we are having a figure like this, and I need to calculate the rectangle. So what is the basic trick to count the rectangles? 1 and 1, 2 parts, and again this is divided into 2 parts. All you need to do is sum of the rows multiply the sum of column. 1 plus 1, 2. Sum of rows 1 plus 2 is 3. Multiply 1 plus 2, 3. Total number of rectangles are 9. Right? Similarly, if I am doing it like this, we are having only columns. In one row and 2 column. 1 and 1, 2. Right? So we cannot add 1. We are not having any other row. So we have to write 1 sum. And 1 plus 2, 3. So there are 3 rectangles. 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, and the one bigger one, right? So applying the same logic in this figure, we can say that 1 and 1, 2. We can count the basic rectangles are 3. In this figure. And in this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So 4 means, and 1 row is there. 4 means 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9, and 1, 10. 10 rectangle from this figure. Right? And from this figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, and 1, 10, and 1 is the row. So 10 multiply 1 gives 10. So 10 rectangle here. 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 3, 23 rectangle are the basic rectangle that we have got. Now we need to find some new rectangles as well. What are the new rectangles? Let's see. One is this rectangle, and another one is this. 2 rectangles, and third one is the bigger one. 3 more rectangles. 3 more rectangles we have got, right? Now let's find some another rectangle. As well. 3 rectangles we have got. 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 6, 26. Then one rectangle like this, and another rectangle like this. And one is the bigger rectangle of all. Like this. 3 from the inside one. Right? We need to find some more rectangle. There are some more rectangle which are hidden. So what are those hidden rectangle? Where are those hidden rectangles? Let's find them. Let's start our hunt for those hidden rectangles. One is this rectangle, and one is this rectangle. 2, and one is the bigger one, 3 more rectangle. So how many in all we have got? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 and 3 and 3, 12. 20 plus 12, we have got up to 32 rectangle. We have got around 32 rectangle. Now are there any more rectangle? Are there any other rectangle that we have to find, that we have to look for? 32 rectangle we have got in all, and I have already given you the explanation how we got this 32 rectangle. Now let's search for the some more rectangles. If we have some more rectangles, then let's search for them. Okay, So okay, we are having some more rectangles. If we look at the diagram carefully, this is the one more rectangle, right? This is one more rectangle. We haven't counted these two rectangles before. Combining single we have counted, but not combinedly. We have not counted, right? So two more we have got, right? And one is the bigger one. Like this. So three more rectangles we have got. 32 plus 3 equal 35 rectangle. Only 35 rectangle are there. There are only 35 rectangle in all in this given figure. I hope this is clear to you all. Right? So if there is any doubt, then write down in the comment box. I will clear it with the explanation. Second question on our screen, we need to find the odd group of number from the given set of number. Try to solve it by yourself by pausing the video till then I am writing the solution, giving you the solution. See, in each set of number, we can see that first number is the half. First is the half of second one divided by 2. 94 is divided by 2 again. 48 is divided by 2 again, right? And we see that second number has been added by plus 1. Second number added by plus 1. But in the fourth one, this is not the same order. 58 divided by 2 gives it 29, but we are having 28, and hence option number D is the odd one out. I hope this is clear to you, right? Third question on our screen, in which we need to find the figure. This figure is embedded in which of the following figure, and the rotation is not allowed. In the question, he is saying the rotation is not allowed, right? So, in which figure this kind of figure is embedded? Okay, let's see. Let's find the rectangle, this triangle. Where can we find this triangle? Hanging in the downwards direction, or we can find this diagonal. As well. Anything we can find. So if I am finding this diagonal like this, then we should have a perpendicular, but we are not having perpendicular anywhere. So can we find this hypotenuse anywhere? We cannot see anywhere. So 1 is the wrong one. In this figure, we can see this hypotenuse like this. Then we need one perpendicular like this. Then let's see it again like this. Then this. Okay. Then we need to go like this. Okay. We can go, and then this one, then this one, then this one like this. Okay. Then we need to come downwards. But after coming downwards, we need this line. We need the base of triangle, which is not given. Hence 2 is also wrong. Let's see the third one. How can we get the answer from the third one? I can see the answer in the fourth one. See, we can see this triangle. We can see this triangle here. We can see the triangle over here. We can see the triangle over here. Look at this. We can see the triangle, and then above it is this line. Okay. Then this line, then this, and then this. Exactly the same figure, right? And then we needed this figure. Exactly the same figure like this, and hence option number 4. Figure number 4 is having the right answer. Figure number 4 means option number B. Right? Okay. Fourth question on our screen. A number has been denoted to each of the given letters. Select the option from the following 4 possible arrangement of these numbers that forms a meaningful word. We need to make a meaningful words with the help of these letters. Let's see the option number 1. If I am starting with 4, 2, 3, 1. 4 C, 2 means O, 3 means N, 1 means S. C-O-N-S. So we need to make C-O-N-S, then after that 7 is I, C-O-N-S-I, 5 means D, C-O-N-S-I-D, consider, it should be consider, 8 means E, and 6 means R. Consider. We can make the consider word from the A. We can make the consider word from A. Let's see from B. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1 means S, 3 means N, 4 means C, S and C, 5 means D. S and C D. Oh no, this cannot be any meaningful word. S and C D. 1587. 1587 S, D, 8 means E, 7 means I, HDEI. No, this cannot be any meaningful word. 4 means C, HDIC. No. 3247 N O C I, NOCI, and 8 is E, NOCIE. No, we cannot make. Only one meaningful word can we make, that is consider from the option number A. Fifth question is from the syllogism. Some camels are giraffe. Some camels are giraffe. No yak is giraffe. Conclusion number 1, all camels being yak is a possibility. All camel being yak is a possibility. No, it is not possible. If I am fixing all the camel into the yak, then some giraffe will also enter, which is quite not possible. All giraffe being camel, can all giraffe be camel? Yes, all giraffe can go inside the camel. There is no restriction of the remaining part of giraffe with camel, right? So, only and only second conclusion follows, which matches with option number D. Next, we need to find out the relation between these two elements. USA is related to Congress, then Israel is related to what? Israel is related to what? This question is basically based on your GK knowledge. Based on your GK knowledge, no trick would work. No trick and nothing would work in this thing. So sometimes we have a knowledge of many questions in this GK kind of portion, and sometimes we don't know. USA, Congress, Israel is related to what? So such kind of questions can be skipped, should be skipped, because not all analogy questions will be known to us, because there will be many questions which are from the different analogy, which are different from the GK, right? So if you know that how USA is related to Congress and Israel is related to what, then you should comment down the right answer for this one in the comment box. Let me know the right answer of this one in the comment box. Let me know the right answer for this one in the comment box. Okay. Seventh one. Seventh question is from the sequence of a paper folding and cutting. Paper folding and cutting. First of all, what has happened? That the paper has been folded from bottom to top. Then again the remaining part is folded from bottom to top. Now when we are opening the page downwards, the mirror image, the water image will be formed. The water image will be like this. These two triangles should be formed. This is at the top, so this will be at the bottom. This is at the bottom, so this should be at the top. This is at the middle. So middle at like this. This is at the top, then this should be at the bottom, and this is at the bottom, this should be at the top, and this will be like this. We should get the image like this. Right? So option 3 is cancelled because of these. These are attached. That's why. Option 1 is cancelled because of this rectangle. How can we get? We should get two different rectangles. And what about the 3 and 4? 3 and 4, 2 and 2, okay. 2 and 2, right? 2 and, okay. Why this fourth is wrong as well? Because we should get this triangle over here, right? So we are not getting this triangle over here. That's why 4 is wrong. Only second option is the right. Eighth question on your screen. Now we need to select the option that is embedded in the given figure. We need to find the option. We need to find one option that is embedded in this figure. So which is the option? Which option is the one that is embedded? Okay. Let's start with the one. We can see this line. So I can say that this line is over here. This line is over here like this. Okay. Then we need to go like this. So if I am having this line, how can I go like this? Do we have? Okay, I can say from here, this portion, then this portion like this, then this portion like this, like, okay, then what about this? This portion is not available, A is wrong. I don't think that A is having the right answer. Or I can look for one thing, I can look for this triangle. On this side. Is there any triangle? No. Then what can we do? I can see these two things, this thing and this thing over here, right? This thing and this thing over here like this. Okay, then we need a diagonal like this, we need a diagonal like this. Okay, we are having, then that second line should go like this, second line is going like this, you can see this thing, then it should go above, it should go above, it is going above like this, no issue. Then it should be matched like this, it should be matched like this, then this one, then bottom down and up to here, this and that are matched perfectly, this and that are matched perfectly, I guess. Option number 3 is the right, option number 3 is the right answer, option number 3 is the right. There is nothing that we cannot answer, the option number 3 is the right. Okay, ninth question is from the dice, ninth question is from the dice, we need to solve this dice question and let's see what should be the right answer for this one. Okay, so three different positions of the same dice are given, three different positions of the same dice are given. Which animal name appear on the face opposite to the one which dog is written? We need to find the element which is written opposite to the dog. We need to find the element which is written opposite to the dog. So we are having three different dice, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, which two dice we should consider? Which two dice we should consider? Because we need to find the opposite of dog. So dog and dog are given in the first and third one, and the other two elements are cat loin and bat cow. So we can say from 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, moving in the clockwise direction from dog, we will get loin cat, and moving in the clockwise direction from dog, we will get cow and bat, right? The cat opposite is bat, the loin opposite is cow. What will be the opposite of dog? One remaining element is rat, one remaining element is rat, so the opposite of dog is rat, opposite of dog is rat, opposite of dog is rat, and hence option number A is the right, and hence option number A is the right answer. I hope this is clear to you all. Next question, 10th on your screen, 10th question on your screen from the statement and reason, which is a part of critical reasoning, very important for the tier 2 examination, those who are appearing in the tier 2, who will appear because they know that what kind of paper they have done in the CGL tier 1. Okay. In many countries, poverty remains a significant issue. In many countries, poverty remains a significant issue with a large portion of the population living below the poverty line. This is about the many countries. In many countries, the poverty is a significant issue. Why? Significant issue, and a large portion of the population living below the poverty line. Large portion means we should say 40%, 50, 60% of the person are living below the poverty line. In 2020, it was estimated that around 9.2% of the global population lived in extreme poverty. In 2020, it was estimated that around 9.2% of the global population lived in the extreme poverty. It was around 9.2 in the 2020, right? Let's see the reasons. What can be the reason? What can be the reason? What can be the reason or conclusion we can get from this statement? Lack of education and employment opportunities are key contributors to poverty. Can we conclude, can we find this reason accurate for the given statement? What leads to the poverty? What leads to the poverty? You have seen around yourself, you have seen in your daily life that there are many persons who are unemployed, who beg for their livelihood. So what is the main reason for their poverty? First, they didn't get the proper employment, they didn't get the proper education, right? If they have employment, then they will not do the begging job or the poverty. They will not live in the poverty if they have got the education as well. So in reason 1, lack of education supports this statement, and employment opportunities. There are many person who are educated but are not employed because of the lack of employment opportunities. So that also contributes towards their poverty. Are key contributors to the poverty. Yes, this one is the right reason. Second one, people choose to live in poverty to avoid taxes and other government responsibilities. Okay, it means the second statement reason is trying to say that you all are willing to, or I am willing to live in the poverty, I am willing to do the begging thing, I am willing to live on the road because I don't want to pay taxes. What kind of sense this is? This does not make any sense, and hence second is the wrong. Only one is the right reason, only one is a possible reason, and hence C is the right answer. 11th one. In 11th, the position of how many letters will remain unchanged? How many positions letter will remain unchanged if in the word abstract, if in the word abstract, we are having a word abstract, all vowels are arranged in alphabetical order, all the vowels are arranged in alphabetical order, and then all consonants are arranged in alphabetical order. First all vowels are arranged, then all consonants are arranged from left to right. The position of how many letters will remain unchanged? We need to find how many positions of letter will remain unchanged. Let's arrange all the vowels in alphabetical order. A and A. 2 times A will come, right? And one A will remain unchanged. Now we have to arrange consonant. B, C, R, S, T and T, like this. So how many of the letters will remain unchanged? This A remain unchanged, change, this remain unchanged, change, and this remain unchanged. There are 3 letters which remain unchanged. Option number C is the right. A, R and T. A, R and T are the 3 letters which remain unchanged when we have done the operation asked in the question. 12th question. In 12th question, we need to complete this pattern. We need to complete this pattern in order to get the right answer. Okay. This will be completed and this will be made like this. Okay. So first we need to find this semicircle and this this circle, half part of circle and the diagonal one line. So in all the option we are having, then this image like this. We need to find 2 and this third line like this. Okay. And here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, because in all we are having 4. Only we need 3 lines. 3 lines. Option number 1 is the right answer. 13th one. Identify the figure given in the option which when put in place of question mark will logically complete the series. We need to complete this series. We need to complete this series logically. So first of all we need to understand the pattern, that what kind of pattern is being followed in this series. Let's see. We are having 1 circle, then 2 circle. From 1 to 2 we can see the circle increased but the square remains same. From second to third, circle remains same but square increases. 1 to 2, right? Now from third to fourth, what is the what should be increased? Circle should be increased. 3 circles should come. 3 circles should come and 2 rectangles should come. 2 rectangles should come like this. So 3 circle and 2 rectangle are there in the option number 1, and hence option 1 is the right answer. I hope this is clear to you all, right? Let's move on to the next question. 14th question is from the sitting arrangement. 14th question is from the sitting arrangement and the linear arrangement, I should say. 7 persons are sitting in a linear row facing the south, all are facing south. Om sits 4th to the left of An. See, whenever the question is given that all of them are facing the south, whenever the question is given that all of them are facing in the south or all of them are facing north, you can do one thing. If all are facing south, you can consider all of them in the north and the answer will be same. There will be no changes in the answer. Trust me, or if you don't trust me, then you can try it by yourself by making all the persons sitting in south and then match your answer with my answer. You will get the same answer, right? So I am considering all these 7 persons by facing in the north. Om sit 4th left of An. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om sit 4th left of An. Key sit immediate right of TO, which we cannot connect right now. Om sit at end of the row. If Om is end of the row, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7% will be seated like this. Key sit immediate right of TO, we cannot connect right now. Phi sits 3rd to the left of An. 1, 2, 3. We can connect this Phi. We can connect this Phi. Z is an immediate neighbor of Phi and E. Z is an immediate neighbor of Phi and EL. So Z will come like this and AL will come like this, right? And key sit immediate right of TO. Key sit immediate right of TO. TO and key will be sitting like this. So the right order is Om, Phi, Z, AL, AN, TO, KI. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many persons sit between TO and OM? TO and OM, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons are there, which means more than 3. 4 person means more than 3, which matches with our option. Let's move on to the next question, 15th. 15th question is from the ranking and order in a row where all are facing north. All the persons are facing north. Radha stands 16th from the left. Radha stands 16th from the left. Okay. This is Radha. And she is at the 16th position from the left. From the left. Geeta stands 21 from the right. Geeta stands 21 from the right. Palash stands 9th left of Geeta and to the immediate right of Radha. Palash 9 left of Geeta and immediate right of Radha. So immediate right of Radha, Palash will be like this. At the 17th position from the left, because immediate right of Radha he is. And Palash is 9th left of Geeta. 9 left of Geeta means 8% will be there between Palash and Geeta. Right? Geeta will be like this. And Geeta stands 21 from the right end. Geeta was 21 from the right end. 21 from the right end. Right? So, Palash will be 21 and at 29 and 30. 30 from the right end. 30 from the right end and 17 from the left end. Palash will have two positions, 17 from the left and 30 from the right. How many people are sitting in the row? Whenever we are having a two position, whenever we have two position of a single person from two ends, from left end and the right end, what we need to do? Add both of them, 30 plus 17 minus 1, which makes 46, and hence option number A is the right answer. Right? Let's move on to the next question, 16th question from the calendar. 16th question we are having from the calendar, and we need to find the right answer for this one. We need to find the right answer for this one. If today is Monday, then what day of a week was on 169th day before and after today respectively? Okay, the question is amazing. We need to find 169th day before and after today. Today is Monday, right? Today is Monday. We need to find after and before 169 days. How to find after and before 169 days or any number of days? Divide this 169 by 7 and make the number of weeks. Find the number of weeks. So number of weeks will be 7 to 14 and 29, 7 for 28. 24 weeks will be there. So if today is Monday, after 24 weeks it will be Monday again, because after 7 days Monday repeat itself. Today is Monday, then after 7 days Monday will come. So one 7 days, one group of 7 days makes 1 week. So after 24 weeks Monday will repeat. How much remainder we left? We left with one odd day or extra day, one odd day or extra day. So we have to add plus 1 in Monday, so it will be, sorry, it is before na, it is before means we have to minus, we have to do minus 1, so Monday minus 1, Sunday, it will be Sunday, right? And before Sunday, and we are having only one option, Sunday. We are having only option number 1, Sunday, in which Sunday is given, because before and after respectively, before is Sunday and after 7 divided by 169, 24 weeks and 1 extra day. So adding plus 1 in Monday, will give Tuesday. So it should be Sunday and Tuesday, which matches with option number A. Sunday and Tuesday, it matches with option number A. Let's move on to the next 17th question. 17th question on our screen from the critical reasoning section. From one situation is given, situation is like a statement, and then we are followed with conclusions. If you want to see the question, you can check the question, you can see the question, and if you want to write the answer, then let me know the answer so that we can proceed further with this one. Okay, let's see what is given. Situation is given, Generation Z is the youngest member of the current workforce. The Generation Z is the youngest member. Okay, whatever the workforce is in the today's era, the Generation Z is the youngest one. And how many of you are from the Generation Z? Let me know as well. Generation Z typically grew up with 2 working parents. Generally, Generation Z typically grew up with 2 working parents. two working parents, and a to-do list constantly on display, and a to-do list constantly on display throughout their childhood. Since the childhood they have their to-do list to follow, so that they can manage their timetable, so that they can do anything everything in a particular order, and can manage all the things in a right way, right? Because they have a to-do list constantly on display since the childhood, throughout their childhood. Because of this, and because of this, generation Z can multitask. Because of this manageable activities of the since childhood they are following, the to-do list they are following, and because of this they can multitask, and also values work-life balance, and they can balance their work life as well, right? Conclusion. The surrounding environment greatly influences the thinking, skilling and imagination of humans. See, we can conclude that the generation Z parents were the working parents, right? And what were their surroundings? Their surroundings were from their parents. They grew up. How they grew up? They grew up with two working parents and a to-do list constantly on display. So it was their surrounding. In which surrounding you are living, you adapt the things from your surroundings as well, right? So this is what this conclusion is trying to say. The surrounding environment greatly influences the thinking, skilling and imagination. So yes, this generation Z surrounding has greatly influenced their thinking, their skilling and their imagination as well. So one is the right one. Second, we can develop work-life balance through multitasking. We can develop work-life balance through multitasking. No, we cannot develop work-life balance through multitasking. We can multitask whenever we are having a proper work-life balance. We can do multitasking. So second is wrong. We cannot develop work-life balance through multitasking. We can multitask through work-life balance, proper work-life balance. Hence, one is the right one. Only one can be concluded. 18th question from the coding decoding. What should be the right answer for this one? What can be the right answer for this one? In a certain code language, stone is coded as 85236. We are having a word stone, and it is coded as 85236. 85236. We are having a word bread, and it is coded as 14697. How would you code for roast? So what is the logic? Do we see the common coding or the direct coding? We see the common coding. Common coding is E and E, 6 and 6. At third number we are having 6. Do we have something else common? STON. We don't have anything other common. So we are going to apply the common coding format. R is at the second and 4 is given. So it should start with 4. O is 2, 2. A should be 9. S is first is 8, and T is second is 5. 42985. Do we have option? Yes, 42985, option number A. This is what we call the direct coding. Okay, next question. 19th is from the classification. We are given with 4 options from which we need to find out the odd one out. Okay, let's see. We are given with MJT and PFV. How can we reconnect them? See, 13 to 16 plus 3 has been done. J comes at 10 and F comes at 6 minus 4, and T comes at 20 or V comes at 22 plus 2. So 3, 4, 2 has been followed. Plus 3 minus 4 plus 2. Okay. What about the DOS and GQ? D comes at 4, G comes at 3 plus 3. O15, K11 minus 4. S19, U21 plus 2. 3 plus 3 minus 4 plus 2. Same, plus 3 minus 4 plus 2. Let's see the C1. Q comes at 17, T comes at 20. 17 to 20 plus 3. W23 R 18. That is minus 5. B2 D4 means plus 2. The logic changes over here. The logic has changed from here. So option number C is the wrong one, I guess. Odd one out. S19 V22 plus 3, I9 E5 minus 4 and M13 O15 plus 2. So option D and A and B are following the 3, 4, 2 logic, but C is following 3 minus 5 plus 2. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer, and the odd one out we can say. Next, 20th question on our screen, in which we have to fill the blanks in order to make a proper repeated series in a right manner and pattern. Okay, so give it a try, give this question a try, and we will see the right answer. Let's see. We are having, let me write this series first, blank OA, blank CA, blank ADE, blank, okay, the space will run out. Let me write here blank OA, blank CA, blank ADE, blank O blank F, blank O blank F, blank AOA, blank IA, blank AJK. What is this? Blank AJ, okay, like this. Okay, now let's try to solve this thing. Let's try to, give me a moment again. Give me a moment. Let me write over here. This will be the enough space. Blank OA, blank CA, blank ADE, blank O blank F, blank AOA, blank IA, blank AJK. Now let's count the number of elements. Let's count the number of elements first. How many elements are there, right? Elements are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are having 25 elements, right? 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 13, 15, 18, 21, 23, 20. 25 elements are there. 25 elements are there. Okay. So what can we see? What can we see? How can we solve this thing? Can you see this thing? Can you see this thing that AOA is repeated, then A dash A? Can I say AOA, AOA, and can I make AOA, and can I make AOA, 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 AOA? What it should start with, and what should be the pattern? What should be the pattern? AOA, JK, AOA, let's make a 5-5 pair. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So series is starting with AOA, I guess. AOA, AOA, BC, AOA, BC, AOA, BC, DE, F, G, H, I, J, K. Solved. AOA, BC, AOA, DE, AOA, FG, AOA, HI, AOA, JK. There were 25 pairs, 25 elements. We made a pair of 5 elements. 5 element, 5 pair. So A, B, O, A, 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 B, O, A, A. Option number B, A, B, O, A, A, which matches with option number B, right? Is it clear to you all? Let's move on to the next question. th Wow. 21st question is from the data sufficiency. 21st question is from the data sufficiency. We need to solve this question in order to get the right answer. Okay. So let's solve this one. Let's solve this one. LMNO PQR attend a seminar in a week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There will be a lesser space we are having. Let's make it here at anyhow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Wow, we made it. We made it in this space only. We have to fix the person in these space, right? Now let's see what is asked in the question. What is asked in the question? Who attend the seminar on Thursday? We need to find the person who is attending the seminar on Thursday. With the help of statement number 1, can we find this thing? L attend immediate before Q. L attend immediate before Q and after Thursday. L attend after Thursday. Okay. And immediate before Q. So L and Q can be fixed like this, and L and Q can be fixed like this. Okay. And 2 person attend between M and Q. 2 person attend between M and Q. So 1 and 1, 2. M can come over here like this. 1 and 1, 2. M can come over here like this. But by solving the statement 1, we can get that on Thursday M is coming. But from the second case, and in order to get the answer from second case, we should eliminate the first one. But the first one is not getting eliminated. So statement number 1 alone is not sufficient. Right? Now what we will do? We will solve the statement number 2 now. We will solve the statement number 2. In statement number 2, it is said P attend immediately after R. P attend immediately after R and 2 person attend between P and N. It means we cannot get the answer from second statement as well, because there is nothing fixed given that how to fix Pn and P and N. So statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Now if I combine both of them, can I get the answer? The first line is P attend immediate after R. P is attending immediate after R. So first R, then P should come. So R and then P like this. And in this scenario, what can happen? That R and P can come on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 2 person attend between P and N. 2 person attend between P and N. It means 1 and 1, 2. N cannot come. If we are fixing P on the Tuesday, then N cannot come. Hence, case number 1 is wrong. So, with the help of case number 2, we can get on Thursday M is coming. And how did we get that M is coming on Thursday? With the help of both the statement. By combining both the statement, we got the answer. There is no need to fix M, P, M, and N. We are not supposed, because we are getting on the Thursday. So, how we got? With the help of both statement. Together, option number B. The data in both the statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. This was a solid question from the data sufficiency, which is very important for tier 2 examination. Right? I hope you liked the question. Let me know the right answer of this one in the homework comment box. Right? Let me know the right answer in the comment box. Write down the right answer of this question in the comment box. I will check your answer and we will cover this question in the next class as well for your reference to see the solution. That's it for today from my side. Enjoy your vacation. Enjoy your Deepavali. Happy Deepavali from my side to you all. Thank you everyone.